Hey guys, my name is Natalie and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips and tools you need to start and grow your online business. Now in today's video, we are going to be discussing the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which is a basic and fundamental training for you as a new affiliate marketer, and giving you a little bit of an overview and review on it. Now, before we get into the details of the program, let's talk a little bit about the course creator / facilitator. His name is Jonathan Montoya, had a background and worked in electrical engineering, and within 9 months of starting his affiliate marketing journey, he was able to quit and leave his full-time job, then growing his affiliate marketing business into a 6-figure online business. Now let's talk about who this course is for. It is a beginner-friendly, fundamental, step-by-step training program teaching you affiliate marketing from scratch. So if you are a beginner and you have a tight budget, this is for you. On day 1, Jonathan breaks down exactly what affiliate marketing is and explains how the business model works. So at the end of day 1, you also get access into his members-only Facebook group. Now this is really awesome because you are part of a community of like-minded people who are all on the same journey, supporting and helping each other together. Day 2, now this is where the magic happens. I loved day 2. This is where he teaches you how to build out your sales funnel in under 30 minutes. Real actionable steps, and you can go ahead and follow along with him as well. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, or maybe you're thinking of getting into affiliate marketing, I'm sure you've heard a lot of terminology such as sales funnels, email autoresponders, organic traffic, and a lot of other words being thrown at you, and you're like, what is this? Don't worry, it's explained throughout the course. But basically, your sales funnel is your driving force behind the business. It's what guides your customers throughout the buying process. And your email autoresponder, that's basically what allows you to follow up with your customers in the future or to offer them additional products. Now, day 3 is all about traffic and getting eyes on your offers. Now, Jonathan does explain the difference between organic traffic and paid traffic, and he spends a lot of time focusing on free traffic sources, which is really great when you're starting out as a new affiliate marketer. Now, the total time to complete the entire 3-day training is about 2.5 hours, so depending on your time schedule, you could actually finish it within 1 day. It also costs $7, and the awesome thing about it is at the end of the training course, you can also become an affiliate and promote his products. Now, if you are interested in starting your affiliate marketing business or checking out the training, we will leave a link in the description below. We have spent hours trying out different trainings, and of all the trainings that we have tried, we had seen success with this one. Now, we're not guaranteeing that everyone's going to have the same results, but this is the one that we do promote and that we do recommend all beginners learn. Now, last 2 final thoughts about this training program is it's to the point and there's no fluff, and also the low cost of the actual training. You literally have the opportunity to make back way more than you've invested in the actual training program. And again, if you are looking to start this training program, we will leave a link down in the description. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment. If you found any value in this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, and to stay up to date with all our videos on affiliate marketing or learning how to make money online, remember to hit that subscribe button. See you soon.